Okay, so here are my pieces, the pieces of my external hard drive. I got it disassembled. I watched all the videos about how to make a repair. What they all say is that this arm that's out like this is supposed to move all the way over to here. Mine doesn't want to move over to there. It only wants to move to here. So here's what happens. When you put the screwdriver into the center of this turntable, the arm has a natural tendency to move to where you want it. But mine quits. Now, if I set the camera down and give that a yank, I can get it to go over a little. I can get it to go over to, sorry, gotta make sure I don't hurt my hard drive here. Not that I think I can get anything off of it. It's okay. So I can get it to go over to there. I just pulled it over there manually. But I can't get it to go any farther than that. I can yank on it. It's just nothing it wants to do. It doesn't want to go over there. It's got this little piece of tape. This little, how can I hold the camera? Can you see this tape going up here, coming down in here? It scrolls up in there some way. No, I guess it scrolls up into the arm some way. Anyway, that tape seems to be some part of the story here. So, that's my story. Okay, so here is the reassembled hard drive with the sticker stuck down over the hole so that it's, that sticker, I stuck that back on there because underneath it is the hard drive itself. It has a gaping hole built into the way it's built. So, we take the plug that into the computer, sorry, and here's what happens. Hear the little clicky click noise? Because it has a mechanical problem with that arm. And the computer doesn't notice. There is no listing of an extra drive being on there. So that arm is probably flopping back and forth across that hard drive and trying to do something, and it just isn't able. Oh! Computer tried to recognize it, but it just didn't happen. Just didn't happen. I can't talk the computer into making that little clunky clunk noise that says that it notices there's another piece of hardware. It does it and then it undoes it. So, just for the record, here's what happens when I unplug it from the computer. So the computer knows that something was plugged in, but that's all it knows. Also, just for the record, here's what happens when we pull this off. That is the hard drive. And the people who know what they're doing say something about how there's air has to flow correctly over the hard drive, and so that's why it's supposed to be sealed. So, rather primitive, but that's why I resealed it. And there you go. Okay.